Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Today I thought it'd be really nice to show you my Harbor Freight chainsaw chain sharpener. I've owned this chain sharpener for quite a while now, 3 or 4 years, and I thought it would be a good idea to give you guys an update video, see how it's going, and just let you know what I still think of it or if anything has changed. Nothing's changed. I really like this thing. It saves me $8 every time I sharpen my chains. It's really nice to have that without having to take it somewhere to get it sharpened. Even though they may do a better job, there's no denying that. I can do a good job here at home and be back out cutting in no time. Now, even if you're the best chainsawer there ever was, you're still gonna get it in the dirt. Now, I'm not saying you run your chainsaw into the dirt, but it happens to all of us. Maybe not you, but running your chainsaw in the dirt will immediately dull your blade. I know I've done it many times. I have this here wood. It's cut, it's laying right here. Yeah, I could lift it up, but we're gonna dull up this blade real good for you. Let you know that sharpener, we'll see what it can actually do. Well, maybe don't try that at home, but I really wanted to dull my blade to show you guys how it works. Basically, a dull blade's gonna throw you a bunch of small chunks. You're not gonna cut into the wood as quick. That last cut took me a little bit longer. Definitely dulled. I ran it through the dirt for you, you can see it. You never know what's underground, so keep these guys out of the dirt. They don't belong there. Now we've got a dull chain. We gotta go up, we gotta sharpen it, see what we can do. Now down here, this is the adjustment for the angle that you're going to actually cut the blade using the wheel. The bottom part of your chain is what actually fits right into this slot. Just like so. So you want it to be, that's the wrong way tooth. Each tooth goes opposite directions, so you got to skip one. Pull up to this one. That's what we're looking for right there. We don't want to take too much meat off there. We just want to sharpen the tip. That's all we're trying to do. This time I'm not going to take down the rakers. This is a relatively new blade. If it was a couple times that I had sharpened it, then I would file the rakers down a little bit. This time around I'm going to be sharpening at about 30 degrees. A little bit of adjustment here. Well, there you have it. I was able to go through, sharpen up a few of these. That dirt really dulled it. I normally don't run it through the dirt so badly, but for me, I try to take as little off as possible and still leave the blade part pretty sharp. Let's see if I can find one here. Like this though, that dirt definitely, I could have got a better point. I could have tried to get a better point there, but it's okay for me. It'll get me back out there and working, and it'll start throwing nice chunks of wood. If I had one complaint about this, it would probably be the heavy use of plastic. It just seems a little cheaply made. That being said, it has held up this long, and I don't see any way that it's not going to continue holding up. It's definitely paid for itself. I haven't had an issue with the wheel. I know they sell replacement wheels at Harbor Freight. I'll leave a link to the product in the description below, and I'll leave a link to the replacement wheel as well, so you can check that out for yourself. Now, I'm not a tree professional, but if you see anything that I did wrong or that I could do a little bit better next time I'm sharpening, please do comment below. I will read them. It'll help me out and it will help the viewers out. Maybe there's something that I could do, just slightly tweak it. Who knows? But definitely throw a comment at me. I'll answer it when I can. If you could please hit that thumbs up button, that does help YouTube to place us just a little bit higher. Check out the description, there's a lot of information in there for you. Maybe something I forgot to mention, I will leave it in the description if I think to add it later. Otherwise, take care and have a nice day.